Hey guys, this is Mike here, and finally I get a hand on the original genuine Nokia 3310, and I would like to make a comparison video between the two and see what is the main difference. Hopefully it will help you guys if you are trying to get one of these, and make sure you get the original one, right? So if you take a look at it, some boxes design might be different. I think the original one might be similar if you manage to get one, but I think the box quality of the fake one was a bit more on what do you call it? Not that high quality on boxes. The colors are not that vibrant. For the actual one, I think the color is more vibrant. If you take a look at it, as you can see, the color is more vibrant, as well as the they do have the what do you call it, the seal, make sure that it's not open and stuff. So this is the original one, and most probably if you take a look at it, the original one will have a tag similar to this, right? Yeah, so the others might not have it. So ultimately this is how it goes. Like what I said, the fake one I did an unboxing before, which I do not know whether it's real or fake. So this is how the phone looks like. Let's just put it on, and for this one, let's just do a quick unboxing video of this and to see what is inside. So once you open this up, you can pull out the box. So what is inside, you have the phone itself, then you have the battery. It's all with stickers, ABA stickers. This is one of the distributor stickers and stuff. Then you have the headphone, not a nice one, but decent headphones. And you have a charging brick, Nokia charging brick. You can see it, Nokia, and some quick guides and stuff. So let's just put the box aside and take a look at the two phones physically. Okay, if you take a look at it, the fake one, first of all, it's big. I think if you get a low quality one, I think the high quality one would be slightly different. And if you look at the screen, right, the real one, basically the screen will covers up to the edge. And for this one, they have a gap at the side, and they have a big gap over here. This one, whereas this one has a small gap. And overall, the there's a Nokia bending. Besides the size, is these things. This feels like a matte material kind of finish, and this one feels glossy. It's a glossy kind of feeling, and it's much smaller and it's much thinner. And the feels for the real one, it's very good compared to this. And ultimately, other than that, I think other stuff are pretty similar. I think if you look at it, it's just the size differences, and buttons are much smaller. This one's much bigger, and this one has a small button, and this one will have a rough edge and stuff, right? So let's just pop open. Okay, let's just see. The placements of the stuff is a bit different. This one, they has the headphone jack down here, and the USB jack, everything. It's for the fake one, they have it all in down here. Up there, they have a USB charging port, and there's nothing there. So as you can see, that is the differences, right? So when you open it up, so let's just open it up slowly for this. So this is how it goes. This one has a dual SIM phone. As you can see, it's a dual SIM phone, but the micro SD and SIM card slot is over here, and there's another SIM card slot over here. So this is how the dual SIM thing functions, I guess, for the real one, SIM 1 and SIM 2. So for the non-original one, I should say it's fake, but just non-original one. You can take out the battery. Looks different as well. It's much bigger, and the SIM 1, SIM 2 is this way with the SD card here. So that is the main difference internally, right? So let's just put it back on for this, and let's just close it off, and let's just put the battery in for this one. Can't wait to see how it looks like on the end. So what you need to do now is to put in the battery. So this is a Nokia banded battery comparatively, so as you know, it's easy to see, but unless they have a very high-end phones for this, so let's just power it on. So as you can see, this one boots up the Nokia logo, and I think it should boot up pretty quick. Standard Nokia tunes. Menu. So for this one, mostly it's a black and white kind of like things. This one doesn't have. I think they have some video stuff, for memory cards, cameras, music. It's not very what do you call that? So they have connectivity, only Bluetooth, and they have a dual SIM capabilities. Other than that, it's just a very basic phone, as you can see. It's a basic Nokia phone like last time, just that the way it looks a bit different now. They have a camera, not like superbly good camera, just a decent one. Go-to is your photos, ringtones, soft keys. So yeah, that's about it for this one. There's nothing much that I can say around it, so let's just boot up this one and see what is the differences. So for this one, it's like completely, if you look at welcome screen, you know that it's not so you see this is not the real thing, right? As you can actually listen, definitely this is not real thing. So if you go to menu and they have the conventional sound, like all this sound, and it does looks the same, but I don't know how they can actually have WhatsApp for this one. You need to see, and Facebook and all those stuff. And from what I know, originally only the other one has it, not this one. And how about the connectivity? Yeah, dual SIM settings, agree settings. So this one is definitely not the Nokia branded kind of stuff, but it does have similarities there. And if you look at the lights, okay, let's just, if I cover it up, I can see this is having white lights, white backlights, which is pretty good. And for the fake one, normally it doesn't have a light. This even doesn't have a light lit up. And even some of them have that, then they might be different. For this one, it doesn't have, right? So of course, I go through the net and I do find something where they say there are difference between Snake apps and stuff like, right? So we can take a look at the Snake apps. So this is how the Snake app looks like here. It's lag though, super lag, and it's like, oh, okay, see, it just hang. So this is how Snake app looks like. So let's just go back, and for this one, I think it will be more fluid kind of experience with the Snake. This is the Snake app. So this is the Game Loft original. I mean, like, yeah, it definitely looks much better. So that is the difference. You can pause it, you can escape. So I believe so. You can go away. This one is not. Exit, yes. You can go yes. Yeah, and you exited the game. I mean, like end of the day, this is more or less how it looks like. I mean, like build quality wise, the glossiness and the size and the feeling of the phone itself is a bit different for the fake one. So ultimately that is all I have. I mean, if you take a look at it, that's all I have for the differences between the two phones. So ultimately, if you're going to get one yourself, please make sure that you find one that it's original. I mean, boxes wise, I don't think you can tell a very big difference for this one, because there are too many of them that is different. So ultimately, for boxes wise, you can look for more vibrant colors, and please make sure they have these kind of like sticker signs and original dealer inspected kind of like stickers to ensure the genuinity of the phone itself. So okay, let's just put this aside, and that's all I have for today, guys. So if you have any questions regarding the phone itself, do leave me a comment down below if you have anything that you want to bring up, things that I missed out. And so far, this is what I can see in terms of differences of the two phones. So that's all, folks. Do let me know if you have any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So that's all for now. Bye.